Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and your Vivo camera can access the lens. Once done, position the QR code on a second device or a printout. Open the camera app and point it steadily at the code. You do not need an extra app unless your model lacks scanning. The camera should detect the QR overlay. If it does not, toggle autofocus or move slightly closer. This gets you into the first actionable step fast. When the camera recognizes the QR, tap the on-screen QR notification to view the Wi-Fi details. You need to verify the SSID and security type because wrong networks can be malicious. If prompted, confirm the password is correct and check that the authentication method matches the router settings. Make sure to choose the correct network from the preview rather than an auto-suggested alternate. This step explains why manual verification. After confirming details, tap Connect and accept system prompts. The phone will apply the network profile and join. If it fails, manually enter the password from the QR to ensure no encoding issue occurred because some QR generators misformat special characters. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or reboot the phone to clear network caches. As a final troubleshooting tip, check router settings for MAC filtering. If enabled, your device may be blocked, even with the correct credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.